It's a shiftable part, so if you don't want the middle part, you can also shift the wig itself. Oh, and that eats. Today's wig is Ziha by Zury Sis. It is described as a glueless HD lace front human hair blend wig. It comes with a free part, pre-tweezed hairline, and elastic band attached. It is long. I would say it's in the maybe 24 to 26 range. It is pretty long. And yeah, you don't need any glue or any gel to wear it. It's very comfortable. I'd say big head friendly. And yes, it is glueless, like I said before. It has a silky, yucky texture and a wavy style that kind of gives like a sort of old Hollywood glamour. And it comes in the basic colors like 1, 1B, 2, but it also comes in FFT Honey Blonde, SOMRT Burgundy, SOMRT Ginger, and Blonde H/Black, which is the one that I have today. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Chrissy, and today I'll be doing a install and review of this wig. It is Zury Sis Ziha, and it's been a while since I've done a Zury Sis wig or Sis Sister wigs. It's actually a human hair natural mix, and it's in the shade Blonde H/Black, so it's like this blonde color with streaks of black in there, and hopefully the camera picks it up because it's very beautiful. Like, it is really nice. Right now, it's really comfortable on my head. It's not too tight. There is a band. It's not adjustable, but I feel like it could work for everyone because it's not super flimsy. It actually does what it's supposed to do, you know, for a band. Go ahead and start off by cutting the lace. Like, look at that streak. That is nice. It does have a middle part and then some parting space on the side. It's a 5 by 2.5 closure that you get, so you can kind of do like a little flip over thing if you wanted to, if you don't want to do a middle part. For the most part, yeah, you'll probably end up doing like a middle part, but I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace and then get to personalizing. Okay, the lace has been cut off. It does come with some baby hairs already. I noticed that there's none really in the front here, like how this side has this side has some. There's none that really like match it directly. Well, that's okay. The front is pre-tweezed as well in this section here. I wish it was tweezed a little bit more by the part itself, but you know, it's not the end of the world. It would be fine. And same here, it's pre-tweezed like right there. So that's pretty cool. And I love these streaks of black. That is honestly so pretty. What I'm gonna do, just a few things here. I love how it is, and I'm getting a little bit of tangling, but not that much. But I'm gonna go ahead right here. This, for me personally, this kind of bothers me, like when curls are sitting like right there in front of my face. I would either have to tuck it like behind my ear, so do something like that, or I would have to cut it, and that's what I'm gonna go ahead and do. Just taking my good old razor comb and starting off at the height of my cheekbone and going down gently and picking up some of the hair to do the rest. I like that it's not like jamming my razor. That's like really good quality hair, because usually with colored hair, it does jam the razor. Just get a more layered effect. It is beautiful as is, but I don't know, I just feel like this suits me better, you know? So this is the before and this is the after. I think both are beautiful. I'm not gonna go ahead and do the same thing to this side. Oh, I did forget to mention that this wig was sent to me from EBONYLINE, so thank you guys so much. If you're interested in purchasing this wig, don't forget to check the description box. You can get really good deals all the time, like shipping deals, percentages off randomly if you sign up for their program. I love that website. I always get my wigs from there, so when they reached out to me, I was like, yeah! Definitely check them out. I'm just gonna add a few more layers throughout, just to give it a little bit more va-va-voom in the top here. But yeah, once again, it doesn't really need it. It's just me being, you know, like, I'm like, this wig has to work for me. And even with all that, like, I'm not getting any tangling. This is amazing. And then now I'm gonna go in with my concealer and just kind of widen up that part a little bit. You see right away, we're already getting such a nice natural look here. Go ahead and spray that with my hairspray just to lock that in. I think I am done playing with it. I love how it looks. It is so gorgeous. Like, the curls are, oh, I love the color blend. It is different. Like, one thing about Zury Sis and I think all of their wig lines, they will always play around with color and color mixes, and I appreciate that. I think that is so cool for a wig company to do, rather than like always give us the same colors over and over. I think it's so cool, because I never seen this color before, but I love it. And I feel like a reverse version of it would be just as beautiful, kind of like a beige, what, platinum I think they call it. That would be just as beautiful. And at least with this one too, once you have that middle part taken care of, you don't really have to do a you don't really have to lay like these baby hairs. It's kind of optional, but I think they're super cute as they are. Our pros and cons. So pros, this style is gorgeous, no tangling, the curls are lovely, it's super soft, it definitely feels like a human hair mix, and it's gorgeous. It is. It really is. A wonderful color blend as well. That's another pro. Something different, something new. We love that. Pre-styled baby hairs, pre-plucked on the sides. Elastic band. It comes with an elastic band, which is super nice. It's very comfortable. I think it's a perfect size for all heads. Like, truly stretchy and just kind of sits on the head. It doesn't move even, like, it's not too big, but I think it is so perfect for everyone. Good length as well. And even with all this length, you barely get any tangling. You get a lot of hair. It is super full, so like how it's coming off on camera, that really is how it looks in real life. Like, sometimes I'll try wigs and I'm like, I don't know if it looked that thick in person like as it did on camera, but this one is very full, very nice. It's giving kind of like old Hollywood glamour. I think it was like in the $30 range, so it is affordable. It looks like the picture to me. I'd say maybe it looks even better than the picture. It's a shiftable part, so if you don't want the middle part, you can also shift the wig itself. It's comfortable that way, in which you can shift it. Oh, and that eats. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Wow. Like, if I were to just look at that. Oh, that eats, dude. That side part is nice. That is so cute. The waves are just perfect. Oh, I love this wig. I really do. I really do. Like, I would love to try her in the other colors, but I wanted to see what the blonde H black looked like. Ooh, look at that swoop. This is a must-have, guys. It's been a while since I've loved a wig so much. Yeah, for cons, my only con is that with the pre-styled baby hairs, I feel like they were kind of uneven. Like, I don't know. I mean, you can kind of cut that, but I don't know if you see what I'm saying, but how the baby hair starts on this side right here. The baby hair starts on this side, and the middle part is center, so it's not me, but right here there are no baby hairs. I would have to actually cut that, which, I mean, like I said, it's not the end of the world. That's the only downside, really. I don't really have any. The curls, like they were in my face, and I wouldn't really put that as a con, because I know a lot of people like how the curls just come straight down. So if that's your style, that's perfect. It's not a con that I had to kind of trim it to my liking. I would give this wig I would give it a 10 out of 10. It's worth it. And for it to be a human hair mix, I do think it would last long. But wow, look at that. How many letters in glamour? G-L-A-M-O-U-R exclamation point 8. She ate. Be so for real right now. Oh, you guys gotta check her out. And it's lightweight. Like, even though it's so full, it is lightweight. Look at that. Oh, that's it, I guess. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for EBONYLINE for collaborating with me and allowing me to produce this video for you guys. Check the link out in the description box to EBONYLINE if you wanted to try this wig out, which I would definitely recommend. Give that like description box a click and you'll find it there. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope you're enjoying the videos on my channel as I kind of dive into longer form content. I think you can sign up for notifications so you can know when my wigs come out. I'm working on having them come out every Sunday or at least once a week, so stay tuned for the next one. Thank you guys so much. Bye. But for the most part, you'll probably end up doing sorry.